All right, this is the first official start. We've got the bike running on the ICU unit, the remote gas tank. Sounds like it's idling just nicely. We just set the ignition using the strobe light. We've got very good oil flow. We'll go over here and check that. Good, no excessive noises. Not blowing any smoke, idling nicely. Hey Kevin, jump in there. Let's get it. This is Kevin. He's been working on your bike. He's going to take over the business eventually. But we just set the timing and the bike sounds really good. Okay, this sort of offsets the fact that the gas tank's leaking, but we'll talk about that also. Anyway, the bike sounds good.